On August 14th, we celebrate a land of resilience, beauty, and boundless spirit, our Pakistan. Pakistan Day is more than a date in history. It's a symbol of sacrifice, hope, and the unwavering dream of freedom. From its birth in 1947 to today, Pakistan continues to grow, shaped by its people, culture, and courage. Every corner of the country shines with pride, celebrating not just where we are, but who we are. We are a mosaic of languages, landscapes, and legacies, united by a shared belief in Pakistan's promise. At Black Bear Immigration Consultants, we help dreams cross borders, empowering Pakistanis to reach new horizons while staying rooted in pride. No matter where you are in the world, the green and white lives in your heart. Pakistan's strength lies in its youth, its resilience, and its endless potential. We honor the past, embrace the present, and believe in a future of peace, progress, and unity. This 14th August, let's not just remember, let's rise. Together, proudly, Pakistani.